Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 3, Week 1, Day 3. I'm going to say a word. Listen, cane, cane. I will change the k to o to make a new word. Listen, lane. The new word is lane. So, I'm going to do it a little bit like we do with word games. So, pale, change the p to s, sail, date. Change the d to ol, late. Lake, change the ol to b, bake. Save, change the s to k, cave. Name, change the n to g, game. Case, change the k to ch, chase. Rain, change the to main. Whale, change the wh to p, pale. Cape, change the k to tape. Okay, friends. Now this time we're going to put the sounds of a word together. So here we go. Men, g, leg, g, get, d, red, d, bed, pen, smell, dress, step. Now this time, I'm going to say a few words and I'd like you to break it apart into the sounds. Smell, four sounds. Dress, four sounds. Step, four sounds. Okay, this is review. I'll give you 3 seconds. Remember that E tickles the A to say its own name, A. So 3, 2, 1, skate. 3, 2, 1, grade. If I didn't have the E, it would be grad. 3, 2, 1, gave. 3, 2, 1, snake. 3, 2, 1, whale. 3, 2, 1, lane. Whoops. Now these are my contractions. Remember we cross off the O and squish it right here. So this is was, nt. Remember NT says nt. Okay? 3, 2, 1, weren't. 3, 2, 1, hasn't. So we have lots of nt words. And last one, 3, 2, 1, haven't. Okay, I'll give you 3 seconds. Notice the super E. Word, take. Now remember, if I put a C there, it would be taste. That's why it has to have the K. Okay? Blend. Word, fake. Now if I didn't have the E, it'd be fac. Okay? So remember our super E is very important. Okay? Here's another one. Word, blame. Blend it. Word, crate, because this is 8, because there's a super E. Okay, here's another one. Word, shade. Okay, let's do these. 3, 2, 1, A. 3, 2, 1, wh, or A, or wh, or wh. 3, 2, 1, sh. 3, 2, 1, gur. 3, 2, 1, sk. 3, 2, 1, ch. 3, 2, 1, A. 3, 2, 1, f. 3, 2, 1, sn. 3, 2, 1, A. 3, 2, 1, z. 3, 2, 1, ah. Okay, here we go. So the E tickles the A to say its own thing, A. Let's read this together. Wake. Word, wake. Okay. Late. Late. Now if I didn't have the E, it'd be lat, but it does have an E. Okay. Next. Gaze. Gaze. Now we'll take turns. Here's a proper noun because it has a capital. 3, 2, 1. Nate. Let's do this one together. Take. Your turn. 3, 2, 1. Tape. Whoops. Let me go up higher. Okay. Apes. So even though there's an S, we still have our super E. Okay, your turn. 3, 2, 1. Lane. Okay. Aim. Game. 3, 2, 1. Gate. Together. Eight. Word. Date. Okay, your turn. 3, 2, 1. Make. Okay, this time it's your turn. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Plan. If you said plane, you were close, but there's no super E, so it doesn't say its name. It just says ah. So that's plan. 3, 2, 1. Plane, because we have our super E. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Chase. 3, 2, 1. Van. No super E, so it says ah. 3, 2, 1. Vein, because we have super E. 3, 2, 1. Shape. 3, 2, 1. Isn't. 3, 2, 1. Hasn't. 3, 2, 1. Aren't. Oops, sorry. 3, 2, 1. Wasn't. 3, 2, 1. Weren't. So we have lots of "nt." Okay. Okay, next 3, 2, 1. Can't. 3, 2, 1. Haven't. 3, 2, 1. It's. 3, 2, 1. He's. 3, 2, 1. She's. 3, 2, 1. Let's. Now this is not, so this is cannot, have not, it is. We cross off the I. He is, cross off the I. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Hears. And that's all of those. Okay, let's read our sentence. Jane chases Tate to the lake. Okay, so you'll notice we have our capital. We also have a capital here because Tate is a proper noun, it's a name. We have our end mark. What is our end mark? 3, 2, 1. Period. I'm just telling you something. Okay, here's the next sentence. Dave ate some grapes for lunch. Okay, capital, yes. Period, yes. And it's just a, it's end mark. It's just a period because I'm just telling you something. Okay, we had lots of A's happening. Grapes, Dave ate. Okay, here are high frequency words 5 times. Away, 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 away. My dog ran away, but he came back. Now, 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 now. Can we play the game now? Some. I see some snakes in the grass. Today. I had fun at camp today. Way. Is this the way to school? Why? Why are the ducks quacking at me? Me. Okay, here's our story for today. Let's read the title together. Dave was late. Here's some words you'll see. 3, 2, 1. Why? 3, 2, 1. Was. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 2. 3, 2, 1. He. 3, 2, 1. Didn't. 3, 2, 1. Some. 3, 2, 1. Away. 3, 2, 1. Today. Okay, we're going to read this story together. Dave was late. You'll notice we have a lot of A sounds. A. Okay, here we go. Ready? Begin. Why was Dave late? Dave had a way to get up. Dave set a clock when he went to bed, but the bell did not ring. Okay, we have some more A. I see a lot of A's in this story. Okay, a lot of A's. Okay, here we go. Now Dave rushed and ate. Then Dave had to bake some cakes. Dave had to shake and shake. He mixed and mixed. Okay, more A's. Lots of A's. Okay, here we go. Dave baked 6 cakes. He set them on a rack. Then Dave set a cake on a plate. Dave set the rest in a safe place. Okay, so then it says, we have We have, okay, A, lots of super E's. Okay, here we go together. Dave had to take his hat. Dave dashed up Grape Lane. So Grape Lane is a proper noun. Dave ran up to a bus stop. The bus just rushed away. How sad for Dave. Okay, here we go. There's A. Lots of A's, super E's. Okay, here we go. Together, ready, begin. Dave was late for his job today. Dave had to make 10 cakes at Jane's Bake Shop. Poor Dave. Okay, here we go. So this says, write about the text. So here's what this part says. I have time to grab something to eat. A juicy red apple is a yummy treat. So when we're talking about a verb is an action. So if I say, I have time to grab something to eat, what am I doing? I'm grabbing. So grab is my verb. Now I wanted to just mention, there are a couple words that explain how the apple, words that explain the apple to me. So I used the words juicy and red to tell about the apple. These are called sensory details. So sensory details, red and juicy, tell me what the apple is like. Those are called adjectives, and we'll learn more about those later. But just for now, remember a verb is an action and grab is our verb today. Now let's look at is not. So we have is not, and we cross off the O and put an apostrophe and then put the word together. Isn't. So please remember, nt stands for not, but we squished the O. Okay, this is called a contraction. Say it with me, contraction. Okay, so we have are, and then we have our nt, aren't, was, nt, together, wasn't, were, nt, together, weren't, has, nt, together, hasn't, have, nt, together, haven't, can't, together, can't. So this is the only one that's a little bit different than the rest, because we don't say can't, we just say can't. But all of these have a O hiding, okay? So if we separated them, it'd be are not, was not, were not, has not, have not, cannot. But we're going to do it the other way. So this is aren't, wasn't, weren't, hasn't, haven't, can't. And please remember, this is nt, except for when it's can. Well, can't. Well, that isn't too. So please remember that with our contractions. So that's when we're squishing the word, making it shorter so we can say it faster. Okay, bye everyone. See you tomorrow.